If you manage a customer support team, you have to try Zingtree.com. Zingtree is a tool that allows you to build interactive call scripts for your agents in just a few seconds. From reducing call handling times, improving your CSAT score, to improving agent ramp time, Zingtree helps you deliver a world-class customer experience, no matter where your contact center is. It's not rocket science, it's agent call scripts. Agent scripting turns your entire support team into experts, instantly. Here's where the magic happens. Teams can easily build call scripts with decision trees to guide their agents to the next best action in just a few seconds, with a drag-and-drop, no-code-required UI. Whether it's helping a patient schedule an appointment or troubleshooting a product, your agents can now have the right answer at the right time. It's that simple. Your scripts can also embed in your favorite CRM or call center platform. Now, from a single screen, you can greet your customers by name, ask about their last purchase, call, or issue. All of a sudden, you now have a team of experts and happy customers. That's Zingtree. Get started today. It's free.